put money in it. I buy it. ራሴ ማለት ነው the creator and the team of people.
እኔ ግን አልገዛማ። አሁን አንቺ እንደዛ ብትይ ማለት ነው ኦር ሌላ ሰው ቢለኝ
በቀለችን ለምሳሌ create አደረኩት ኦኬ and then I'm gonna show you. This is my Bekalech. This is the token. I'm the creator of Bekalech, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put money in it so that it has value. 0.0 something value እንዲኖረው የኔ ብር ነው ይሄ እዚህ ውስጥ ያለው ማለት ነው okay ከዛ በኋላ you know like an influencer, someone who has following አስገባለሁ which is in Dogecoin case Elon Musk ነበረ in የሀበሻ case maybe I will say some ሀበሻ celebrity when TikTok celebrity I put in
white paper ግን አንብበሽ
hold on listen እነሱ they start promoting it
ለምን መሰለሽ በማል ማስቀበል መገባው ሳላ ከብርሽ ቀርጬ ሳይሆን እያወራ
let me finish my thought ከዛ በኋላ you can talk, you can ask, you can say no that's not right but first let me finish. That's my money in there. That's Bekalech coin and that's my money, okay? ከዛ በኋላ celebrity ያመጣና oh I believe in this coin ይሄ coin በጣም አሪፍ coin ነው so let's pump it እለዋለሁ ከዛ ያ celebrity will start promoting this coin ይሄ coin ግዙ አሪፍ coin ነው አሁን ላይ ካልገዛችሁ ከዛ በኋላ ይወደዳል እያለ ያ ሰው pump ያደርገዋል ከዛ በኋላ people that think that this coin is gonna be cryptocurrency some way that it's gonna have value will start putting their money in it. This is called pumping it, and all of this money that's going into it, that's the victim's money. Everybody's pumping it. Once it gets to the highest part, what I'm gonna do, I pull the rug, which means I dump the whole thing. Gabba? I dump the whole thing. What's left in here? It's nothing. Nothing is left in here. Got it? And that's what you're gonna be stuck with. Ante, as a victim, you're gonna be stuck with this. All of the value, all of the money, I already took it and I left. Because why? I own 30, 40, 50% of it. You understand that? So I take it and I leave and you're left with that. With empty, with nothing. Gabba? So that's what rug pull is, that's what meme coin is, that's what cryptocurrency is.